Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a group chat on Character AI. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is simply access your browser, type in Character.ai and get into their official website. Now right afterwards, if you look through the options that it has available is simply create option where we will be able to create our character and the voice. And we do have option of discover which won't let us create a group chat. So for that we have to access an external option which is called create a room, where you will be able to create a room for your personal group chat with your friends and family. For that you simply have to upgrade to Character.ai Plus, which will simply provide you this feature, which will also include creating a room, where you will be able to tap on it and add people among the listing of yours, and you will be able to create yourself a personal group chat. So simply come over here, upgrade it to Character AI Plus, and then you're good to go. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.